Alrighty guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the Best Investing Money Management channel on YouTube. In today's video, we are going to be talking about a couple of things. The very first thing we're going to be talking about is Tesla. What's going on with it? Why is it selling off so much after a good earnings? We're going to be breaking all of that down. I also want to talk about Twitter, right? Today's an Elon Musk type of day. We're going to be talking about Tesla, Twitter, and pretty much a whole bunch of things. So, hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, concerns, ask them down below. So, let's look at Tesla stock here first. So, you guys can see Tesla stock over the past year has had pretty decent growth, right? It has lows down here at $546. and highs over $1,200. But over the past couple of months, we've seen a lot of volatility, meaning a lot of ups and downs and not really a lot of growth, right? You can see it did establish some pretty hard resistance at about $1,154. It hit it, and every time it just naturally has a hard time breaking above that point, establishing very hard resistance. It hit it, and then we got a lot of sell-off, right? It did establish some decent support right here at about $830, right? It came in contact with it a couple times, consolidated around it, and then it bounced up, hit that $1,100 mark again, that resistance, and started selling off, right? And over the past couple of days, Tesla has sold off over 16% in value. So a lot of people are freaking out, saying, Carter, what is going on? The company's going broke. The company is going bankrupt. No, okay, Tesla brings in a lot of money. They're not going bankrupt. But a lot of people are concerned about Tesla because of one, Elon Musk, right? Elon Musk, over the past week or so, he purchased Twitter. So a lot of people are nervous, stating, well, if our lead guy, the CEO, isn't going to be, focusing at Tesla, he's going to be focusing at Twitter. Why would I hold it? Because I believe in him, right? Not to mention, now Elon Musk did purchase, Twitter for over $40 billion. And Elon Musk doesn't have that type of money. He actually has to use a couple of things. He has to use a debt line. He has to take out a whole bunch of things. And a lot of people are nervous, stating that, well, why doesn't he just sell some of his Tesla shares to pay for Twitter? And that's why we've seen a lot of speculation, right? And not to mention, guys, if we look at Tesla's past earnings, it's not like they were bad, right? Looking at it, you guys can see they brought in, on the revenue side, $18 billion in the EPS of 3.2. And you guys can see it. It announced it, popped up, and there's so much volatility with Elon and everything he has. So we've seen sell-off, which doesn't make sense, especially after good earnings. So answering the question of should you buy Tesla, I definitely think Tesla under $1,000 is an absolute bargain. So yes, I will probably pick up a couple of shares. So you guys know me. But turning our heads to, TWTR, also known as Twitter. Twitter has seen a little speculation as well, a little volatility. But I definitely think Twitter, on the other hand, doesn't carry as much growth, right? The overall idea behind Elon with Twitter is he wants to take this private. And what happens when you have shares and a company takes it private? They actually will sell your shares, most likely at a premium, so you do make a little bit of some money, but it's nothing crazy. A lot of people love to invest in Elon. Twitter is not the move. If you want to invest in him as a whole, Tesla will be the way. He already stated that he plans on spending not as much time on Twitter than Tesla. He values his time with Tesla at $1 million per minute that he's focusing on Tesla. So I definitely think right now Tesla is the go, but I personally wouldn't buy any of Twitter, just because of how much volatility there is, and he wants to take it private, so it doesn't even matter. But TSLA here, as you guys can see, has a little growth. It's right on the support line. So for me, this is an absolute bargain. This is what I am buying, and that's that, guys. Yes, I understand there's going to be a lot of volatility and all that, But as long as you have that long-term outlook of 2 to 5 years, you're dollar cost averaging. Anytime the stock's under $1,000, double what you normally will put in. I think Tesla carries a lot more long-term potential. But guys, that is it. Hope you guys enjoyed the episode. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe. If you have any questions, concerns, make sure you guys ask them down below. So we will see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe. Take care.